Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Kaale here again, and I have another interesting hair tutorial for you guys. Well, I first saw this hairstyle on Rihanna, and then I found out it has a name. So it's the TANAVOHO hairstyle from Madagascar. So first of all, I started with pre-parting my hair, which you guys know is the first things you do. And the hair that I use for this braid is the kinky hair. I did some research and I found out people use Cuban twist as well, but I used the kinky hair that I had, which is 12 inches long, and I got from Amazon. So I went ahead to do the back of the head, and I'm going to take my time and show you guys my method. So the first things first, I try to detangle the ends of this hair, and you'll find out the reason that I'm detangling the ends before we start to crochet into my own hair. So you want to make sure that you detangle the both ends. Yeah, that's if you're going to use the method that I'm about to use for this hairstyle. So I have this piece of hair that I'll be starting with. I made sure to use rubber band to hold each piece of the hair that I am working with. So this kinky hair, I just twisted it so that the crochet hook can get all of it at once. So once I pass the crochet hook through my hair, and then I'm going to pass this kinky hair through and make sure to grab it so that both ends will be, really visible. So when I get it into my hair, I'm going to drag the longer part and then make the shorter parts to be like almost the same length with my own natural hair. And then once I've done that, I'll start to wrap the kinky hair around my own hair. And while wrapping the hair, I was making sure not to wrap it too tight, just because I don't want it to be stiff and I want it to like overlap on my head. But I was wrapping it enough to cover my own hair. And once I get to the length that I want it to be, it doesn't matter if my own natural hair is still not fully wrapped. I just go ahead to secure it. Like you can still see that I still have like some part of my natural hair still left, which is not wrapped. So this is why I detangle the ends in the beginning before I start, because I am securing this hair with a piece of the kinky hair. While if you feel like you cannot or you do not want to secure with the kinky hair, you can actually use a rubber band and secure it. But I'm using the kinky hair, which I'll just wrap it like 2 times, and then I'll make a knot like 2 to 3 times, just because I don't want it to unravel at any point. So after securing this hair, that's when we'll then start to form the balls. So I'll be making bigger knots to form the balls. So when I start to make the knot on, let's say, the right direction, the next one, because I do it 2 times, the next one is going to be on the left, just to give it that fuller look. So I've done the first one. I'm just going to make sure that I like the positioning, and then the next knot I'm going to make will be in the opposite direction, if you understand what I mean. So I'm just doing it to give it that fuller look. And then there's still this piece of kinky left. You just do whatever you want to do with it. You can either wrap it around or like fix it into the balls using your crochet hook, or even with your hands, because I'm not making the balls too tight. They're actually very fluffy and very soft. So some of the piece of hair left, I just pass my hand through it and then like pass the remaining hair there, and just like just freestyling it and just doing anything that I want to do with it. But after I do all of this, I still get a rubber band and still secure it. Now I'm just going to let you guys watch me do this second one that is behind, so you see how I do it and how I like kind of form those layers, because I also wanted the hair to be in layers, just for them not to be the same length. And yeah, I'll just let you guys watch it. So guys, we've come over to the front. We nearly finished. I just have like 8 more to go, and let's do this one first. So you see that? Pull your hook in, and you know how to pull hook now. You know how to do hook. So crochet hook comes like this with the hook closed. Yeah, then you need to open it up and then put it while it's open. So I'm gonna put it in my hair while it is open. Sorry, this is losing focus. So I'm gonna put it in while it's open. See, it's open, and then I'm going to grab the place, this side that I twisted, and then close it. Make sure to close it. If you don't close it, this hook will grab your hair and you will be in so much pain. So when you close it, you have to pull. Yeah, pull the hair through. So once I'm able to see the loop there, I just pull my finger in and hold this one so that you don't put too much and it comes over the other side. Then I'm going to pull the rest. That's it. So I like this one to be the same length with, although my hair is long, but you know, it's shrunken right now and I didn't bother with flat ironing or silk pressing or whatever they call it. So I'm going to pull this one so that the smaller one will be like the same length with my own hair, and then this one will be for wrapping. At this point you start to wrap your hair. I don't do it too tight, but I try to make it not look too rough. So wrap your hair. I should have used a clip to hold this one. See? Wrap your hair, wrap your hair. So the idea is for this hair to, like, you know, lap like this. I'm okay with it hanging around here. So this is all that I'm going to wrap because I want the ball to like rest around here. Okay, that's like the idea. So since I'm happy with that, this is why I said you should unravel or you should detangle the ends. So I use a piece of this kinky to secure it. Some people use rubber band, so just use whatever works for you, whatever you think will hold your hair in place. So I just wrap like 2 or 3 times and then I make a knot to secure it. Okay, I secure it like 2 times. Okay, so we are going to, I feel like it's now too white, eh? So after securing that, so remember we want the balls to be around here. That's the idea, yeah? So this is how I make my balls. Mind you, this is my hair. Like, you cannot tell the difference between my hair and this kinky. That's the problem. But I will have to still be careful. So I'm going to make a knot, a big knot with all of it. So I will go this way. Hold on. I'll go this way. And please remember to hide your natural hair in. And that is the first knot. So I adjust it to see if it is going to stay where I want it to stay. So the second knot, I go the opposite direction. The first one I went this way. The second one I'll go the opposite direction and make another knot. Okay, adjust it. We still have like a piece left here. So this one, just play with it, wrap it around, do anything you want to do with it, crochet it in, crochet it in, crochet it. Do whatever you want to do with this one. If you want to wrap it around, that's fine. If you want to use your crochet and hide it in the balls, that's fine. Sometimes I use my finger and just place it in the balls. But after doing or playing with it or doing whatever I want to do, I still use a rubber band to like hold just around the mouth here. I just wrap it twice. Oh, I feel like this ball has scattered, eh? So try to make it like puffable. He's just hanging. I want it to lap. So the idea is for it to lap like this. It's not bad. And at the end of the whole thing, this is what we achieved. This is the TANAVOHO hairstyle, and I am absolutely in love. I got so many people calling me Rihanna when I made this hairstyle, so I really love it, and I'll urge you guys to also do it. If you fancy the hairstyle, then you can try and make this hair for yourself or for your loved ones. At least you now know how to achieve the hairstyle from my page. Okay, now if you like this tutorial, make sure to please like my video, leave your comments in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel for more. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you will get notified whenever I post other cool tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye.